Alright, ako na naman mga kaibigan, reaction video na naman tayo dito sa nagtitrending ngayon sa TikTok na random video na talaga namang mapapawaw ka or wow na wow. Eto na.
Staring out the window pane, watching raindrops.
It was back in 99, watching movies all the time.
What you doing? What you doing? Where you at? Where you at?
Wow.
Turn into free will, I'm down to see.
Wow.
I think
If I fall for you.
Canada, visa-free na daw para sa mga Pilipino. Totoo nga ba talaga? Yo mga
Wow. Wow.
you have worked hard.
You for the heart me weeks.
My pet peeve is people saying, I know exactly how you feel.
Go show it's your birthday. We gon'
Sabi ko, hindi na ako makakapag-live 30 days.
Bakit daw maganda ka? Ano ba nagpapaganda sa'yo ngayon?
Wala lang, maganda lang. Binigay ni Lord.
She was like a shot of espresso. She's like being bathed in sunlight.
It was back in 99, watching movies all
Basta sasabihin mo na gusto mo rin na
Down to my last dime.
Balik sa Manila, ako ay nananabik.
¿Cómo se dice, bus? I need to, voy a la casa. That was me.
Wow.
Or no?
Like,
Metro!
Ano ba ang nakita mo at pinagba...
And it's looking alright with me, so
nako. Wow.
Vai no pau, vem no pau, vai no pau, vem no pau, vai no
pag-isipang mabuti.
Nako. Ano yan? Helmet?
Ikaw pala.
Isang araw, nagmamaneho sa kuba.
Yo me pongo loco cuando tú me mueves el culo. Mi nombre es Nicolás y ella grita.
Shit. Baka dumali na naman ito. Ay,
Ito para lang sa'yo.
umiyak.
Yo, what's up? My name is Levi. I'm an
Isang araw, nagmamaneho sa kuba.
Nako.
I'm trying to realize.
Nako, pakit eh.
Stuck in your career, you're not alone. If you're looking
Wow.
It was back in 99, watching movies all
Don't you sweat it, baby, it's alright.
The CIBC Smart.
Wag kang bibitiw pag may dilub yung haharapin.
As a social
media blogger, Cookbooks has been
Big news para sa lahat ng temporary residents in Canada. And yes, para sa mga TFWs, kasama tayo dito. Starting
Can't nobody do it like having no regrets. It's all that.
It was back in 99, watching movies all
I have not sat in a doctor's waiting room.
This, but it sure feels fine.
Hi guys! So, nasa venue na tayo. Say hi! And then my beshi, ang aking
But it's hard to tell if this is just a thing.
What are your plans for
Ito
today?
mga kaibigan, mabilisan lang ha.
Drink 3 cups of coffee
and then be sexy.
So many of us are carrying way more than we realize.
I woke up in the middle.
From High Rocks training,
Isang araw, nagmamaneho sa kubaw.
Please don't make me think of it like you can't.
3 reasons to choose Candamil or
May patalas-tas, dala na.
Buhay ko, akala ko wala nang kwenta.
You saved my life again.
Gutom.
Does your kid just not listen? Like,
alam mo sa totoo lang naiirita na ako Pwede ba matuto kang lumugar? Dito ka sa tabi ko.
Isang araw, nagmamaneho sa kubaw. Isang araw, nagmamaneho sa kubaw.
Did you know that you can get more rides and
It's been about 2-3 times to make sure all the cancers gone.
May mali lang ata sa aking hinilagot. Lahat sila wala nang
At tinangay ka na ng hangin.
It's just a little too late.
think of me when you're out there. So I just got back from the most amazing trip.
Pati si nanay, napam-napam. Oh, ano yan?
You can make up your mind.
Kaibigan na.
Kaya sana naman ay panik na iba.
Morning routine for my it's what time is it? 8 o'clock now. So
Did you know there's a Lesmos Plus offer on right now?
DJ, the best.
Gibunal.
Isang araw, nagmamaneho sa
Huwag na pag-isipan pa nanti.
If I can pull out your wallet, put it in the air and sing.
Nako, ay lonely.
Ay, putang ina, gusto ko yan! Gusto ko yan!
new house, new routine to one of our
Isang araw, Isang araw,
if you're over 50 and still looking for a partner, you may qualify.
Let it go. Let it go.
Wow!
Ang kinabuhi, dili lumba. Ang kinabuhi, gasto.
Credit card.
where are y'all from? I'm from Canada.
so ito ang
You gotta know how to treat me like a lady.
Babe, tell me again what you're so obsessed with.
If I was a rich girl.
Matanda na.
It was back in 99, watching movies.
HelloFresh is looking for people from Ontario.
Travelers turn to TikTok for ideas and
Reasons that you, baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty.
So Minerva has made quite a big impact on my
delete your dating apps. Seriously. Point of view. You
Try to have them apple bottom jeans.
Wow. Si kabayan dumadali o mag-isa lang.
This test has been
Isang araw,
Yes, wow, wow,
Life is demanding.
Nay, ang kala i-check ko yan.
1, 2, 3, let's go.
Did you know that TikTok want to pay you to create ads?
Kahit may nagrereklamo na'y wala tayong pakialam. And I'll be here. This is Canada. Maple syrup and
Nako.
Get 300% more leads.
DJ Long on the mix.
Okay, let me tell you what. This one?
Sa alak hanggang matumba. Ang sabi ko tama na pero masabi no, I'ma be under the mistletoe.
I'm saying, hey, don't lie. She could.
DJ Long on the mix.
Всем отличного дня.
Ganda ng kulay nito, ano?
Are you a little conflicted about this whole new age parenting stuff? You're thinking.
But I'ma have you first, always in my heart to keep you safe. Just give me a smile in your heart. It was back in 99.
Isang araw, nagmamaneho sa pubaw.
Okay, let me be
Di kita pipilitin sundin.
Alright, hanggang dito na lang mga kaibigan at sana'y naaliw kayo dito sa video na ito na talaga namang nakakaaliw at mapapawaw ka mga kaibigan dahil ito nga ang nag-trending ngayon sa TikTok.